Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you some hidden tricks on the AMAZFIT Cheetah 2 Pro. Let's get started. The first thing I want to show you is palm to turn off the screen, where you can place your palm on the screen to turn it off, useful when you want to check something quickly. Another palm feature is palm to mute, so if you have a notification, call, or alarm, you can place your palm on the screen to mute it. To enable this, wake up the screen, open settings, go to sound and vibration, and enable cover to mute. This can be useful in meetings and similar situations. Another hidden feature is glove mode, found in settings under preferences. It increases the touchscreen sensitivity, which is useful when wearing gloves or if you have a screen protector that reduces responsiveness. Another useful feature is lock touchscreen, which locks the screen and can be helpful when showering, swimming, or sleeping to prevent accidental touches. To lock it, open the quick panel, find the lock icon, tap it, then press the upper button to confirm. To unlock, press and hold the upper button until you see the unlock animation. Another feature is the flashlight, which you can find in the quick panel. It's quite bright, has a separate built-in flashlight, and you can adjust the brightness or even change it to red mode. To turn it off, press the back button and tap the icon again. The last thing I want to show you is button shortcuts, which you can customize. To customize, go to Settings, Preferences, and find Shortcut buttons, where you can assign functions to long press, double press, or single press of different buttons. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.